Recording in progress.
Yeah, so she was too large, you know, to use for her fire arrow, so her hat was too big for them. So she would use this, which you can use to actually. I never actually used it. I think this is instead of carrying with the pistol, you use this instead, which is kind of cooler, honestly. You would, like put something in the stomach as you're about to eviscerate them. We have to fight two of those ladies up here, which might prove difficult. They're a little tricky to kill. And they're tough as nails as well. It's basically just a mini boss. So let's see what we can do. Again, a lot of this is much easier if you pick the Whirly Jigsaw here. If you aren't playing along with me, I'd probably recommend that. It's just for some bosses like Lady Maria that's coming up, I like carrying them and also being able to do like a lot of attacks quickly. I also like the faster visceral of this. So it's like a trade-off for single hit damage, but the Whirly Jigsaw can actually like shit up these people. Let's do it. The problem is that they attack at the same time. I want to let me just magic and it hurts like that. Come on. There we go. There we go. Nice big damage. If that hit me, it would kill me. Ow. Ow. Owie. No. Start beating the shit out of them. Fuck. Okay. Start beating the shit out of them.
Dad,
That's right. Yeah, everybody.
can you help me let us know? Like, just one now?
Right now.
Okay.
Stupid.
Condensed Bernard.
Those like little weird creatures that with the faces. And we'll do it again.
Oh, so one of the things that takes the longest when you do shirts, it's the design, making sure that you do what they like and they accept whatever you're doing for them as far as custom. You have to be careful on who's ordering also. I got an order. I thought it was, something very harmful. They asked me for some Christian shirts. And I said that they were going to order about 600 to 700 shirts. And I was like, wow. So I quoted them around, I'm not sure the number. I think it was like 700 or 800. Maybe more. I don't remember the number exactly, but they mentioned that they were going to send an Uber to bring me the shirts. And then when they send the shirts from the Uber, they said that they were going to send me a check for, I think, 4,000. And then I was like, 4,000, why? And they were asking me to keep what I was quoting them and to Zelle the money back to an account and then give, I don't know, such amount to the Uber driver for the I guess for their time or whatnot. I was like, yeah, dude, go scam someone else. So
Never mind, Dad, I got it.
okay. So just be careful who you're dealing with. Okay. So I'm not really finding one particular good one. You just want to find one that's kind of will fit in your
You ever had that play these games? You go to like turn around, and where you think you're dodging is not where the camera ends up going. So then you end up dodging the opposite direction. Bullshit! That's my echoes. They're mine. Oh, run. Look, this weird animation and I start to run. Oh, Lord, you're scared of the lady going.
okay, and because this picture is bigger, we're going to shrink it.
That's the shittiest part of that. Don't follow me. It's my platform. Don't follow me. Shit. That's it. Gem in here. I guess I'll get it. Why not? I'm here. I might as well. I might straight in. Switch me off. El Shooty Man is still there. I forgot about you. Oh god, my head. Not quite, almost. God! Didn't realize you're still late. Okay, get the shortcut before all hell breaks loose. Ooh, the hunter's chasing me. Ah! God! Follow me! Follow me now! Awesome if you did, though. It would have fell to his death. Moving swiftly along. So this place is like a kind of like, I'm sorry, I keep like glasses through these areas, but I'm sure that's the problem with that place. There's like a lot of experiments going on. See like this stuff shoved in their hands.
So what color is it? Because I can't even see it.
I told William, we should go back and level up though, because now we're about to head into a boss, which is you can break this boss, but it's not that difficult to run the off chance that I like a stupid plan. We should spend a considerable amount of points on these people. Have I got any good? A little more on. Let's set some other items. I just think it looks like a very fine cake. So, and I want to use it. So I use it.
Oh, there's other way over here.
There's the book. Remember I showed you guys the house in the nightmare?
That got me going up early in the morning.
Really, Lana? Gonna fuck you up.
So then this one is here, and then that microwave fucking thing with the lights below. This one. And then the small person I saw in the pettiest area came from here. So that was below.
So out of this reference, I made daddy of the birthday boy, mommy of the birthday boy, and
He just keeps walking, keep talking. Because see, like this makes sense, right? I traveled through the research hall, I came up the stairs, I came all the way up to the Astral Clock Tower, and that was aimed the other night, and then you just come out onto this area. So physically it makes no sense, but because these are nightmares, they're all just kind of like layered on top of one another, and they intermingle. It's really cool. This is like what's that story? What's the H.P. Lovecraft story with the fish people? It's like right in the tip of my tongue and I can't think of it. Hold on, serious. What's the H.P. Lovecraft story about the fish people?
mommy made it a little bit bigger.
That's the story. This area is heavily inspired by that.
Because you want everyone to know that's the mommy. And the birthday boy. Change the font for the birthday boy.